How to use MyCase client portal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most clients think MyCase's client portal is self-explanatory, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that slow communication, cause missed deadlines, or create misunderstandings with their lawyers. The first mistake is ignoring notifications. MyCase sends updates about messages, document uploads, and deadlines. Beginners who don't check notifications risk missing important information or court dates. Another common error is uploading incorrect documents. Mislabeling or submitting the wrong file can delay casework. Always double-check files and use clear, descriptive names. Many users also overlook message etiquette. Messages should be clear, concise, and include all relevant details. Beginners who send incomplete or scattered information may require follow-up, slowing progress. Failing to track deadlines is another pitfall. MyCase allows calendar integration and task tracking. Beginners who ignore these tools may miss critical due dates or court filings. Finally, some clients neglect security. Sharing login information or using unsecured devices can compromise confidential data. Always use strong passwords and secure devices when accessing the portal. To use MyCase client portal properly, monitor notifications, upload correct documents, communicate clearly, track deadlines, and maintain security. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you keep your case organized, secure, and efficient.